Hello, hi, my name is Rosenberg. Today I'm going to discuss artificial intelligence in the financial industry in the European Union. The EU approach to artificial intelligence is not a very diligent one. Currently, there is not a single decision, directive, or regulation when it comes to the harmonization of laws of artificial intelligence in the EU. However, a communication was issued by the European Commission in order to encourage for both the financial sector in the EU, in the governmental aspect and the private aspect, to uptake artificial intelligence as a diligent manner that should be respected. With that said, there is immense need of artificial intelligence for financial institutions. Financial institutions in the European Union are defined as banks, electronic money institutions, which are also called EMIs, cryptocurrency exchanges, and other financial institutions that are considered to be regulated under their respective regulators in the member states. These financial institutions are licensed under their respective EU regulators, and they're due regulatory reporting on a monthly and yearly basis. It has become increasingly difficult for these financial institutions to keep up with the regulatory requirements of the financial regulators, especially if it comes to reporting duties. It would be beneficial not only for the financial industry to uptake artificial intelligence as a means of communication, but it will also be beneficial for the financial institutions to use artificial intelligence as a reporting tool for the regulators. With that said, it is also quite crucial for the financial regulators to uptake artificial intelligence. The EU regulators are defined as the European Central Bank, which is also called the ECB, ESMA, which is the European Securities and Markets Authority, member state regulators, member state central banks, and financial intelligence units, which are also called FIUs. EU law in this respect governs everything. In that sense, it is important for those regulators to uptake financial, banking, anti-money laundering, counter-terrorist financing, and in certain cases, FATF recommendations, and transpose them to the member state level. The regulators are overloaded with financial regulatory reports on a constant basis. In addition, due to new anti-money laundering requirements issued by the European Commission, some member state regulators and financial intelligence units are not withholding their own mandated deadlines. This is currently the situation in Estonia. An AI approach for these regulators and for these submissions will not only help the financial regulators in withholding their own mandated deadlines, but it will also ease communications with the financial institutions which are regulated by them and the European Commission. In certain cases, it can also lead to a better communication with the European Parliament and the European Council as a whole. To conclude, the EU financial regulators and the private enterprises, which are financial institutions in the EU, in addition to FIUs and financial intelligence units, member states, central banks, should uphold an AI system in order to maintain their own current and basic EU law requirements when it comes to the banking industry. Furthermore, financial institutions which are mandated to submit their financial regulatory reports would receive great benefit from using an AI system. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the conference.